Welcome to the series of videos on dimensional variation analysis from Symphony Tech. In this video, let's understand the variation caused by the tolerance of position. The tolerance is seen applied regardless of feature size on a shaft feature. The gap between the edge of the plate and the shaft boundary is evaluated here. Let us evaluate the smallest gap. The shaft can become as large as diameter 18.3. This is the maximum material condition of the shaft. In addition, the shaft can shift outward radially in any direction by 0.1, including downward. The envelope will be enlarged diametrically by 0.2. The size of the largest outer envelope of the shaft is thus diameter 18.5. The gap measured with this envelope will be the smallest possible gap. Now for the largest gap. The shaft can become as small as diameter 17.7. This is the least material condition of the shaft. The shaft boundary can shift inward radially in any direction by 0.1, including upward. The inner boundary envelope will shrink diametrically by 0.2. The size of the smallest inner envelope of the shaft is thus diameter 17.5. The gap measured with this envelope will be the largest possible gap. Use these calculations to evaluate dimensional variation in your designs when you find similar situations.